guys, I am back with another unboxing video. So I purchased Daily Charme's spring mystery box, and I opened the package that the box came in, but I did not open the box. And so I'm trying to do this voiceover before my family gets home, because then they'll cause all kind of noise. But so we're gonna unbox or see what's in this spring mystery box. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Yeah, oh, there we go. Okay, and I did purchase some additional items when I purchased this box. Okay, so we have the dreaded confetti. Wonderful. I see something in here that's really pretty that I didn't purchase separately. So just as an FYI, I did buy these crystals separately. This is light turquoise. This is not a part of the mystery box. If I can just get it open. And so I bought some cute little rose gold, not rose gold, but they're gold and they're roses, studs for my nail. I brought these Swarovski light turquoise crystals. And then I have an assortment. Looks kind of like pastels. What did I buy? No, these aren't no, they're all gold or some color. I don't know what color I got, but anyway. And then what's also not a part of the mystery box is this little rose dusting brush. So pretty. Look at it. But anyway, so let's see what's in this mystery box. All right, so guys, we have a pen. What am I going to do with this pen? I don't know. Put it on the collar of my shirt? I don't know. Put it on my name tag that I don't wear to work? So yeah, I have a heart-shaped pen. It's pretty, I think, but what am I going to do with it? I don't know. We have a discount code. Okay, 15% off. I can get with that. 15% off. Yay. Let's see. We have some pearlesque like flatback stones here. Pretty. Can y'all see that color in here? I guess you can. Oh, these are cute. Little wood confetti or glitter butterflies, flowers, and what's those, leaves? Yeah, that's what that is. And then, nope. Now see, I can't. When I see this, I see somebody's grandmother, and I'm not somebody's grandmother. So, I get it. I get it because they're flowers, but they look like somebody's grandma. Okay, and they look like turned over. They look like teeth, but whatever. I see molars. I have problems, but anyway. So that's here, and then we have some nice iridescent butterflies as well. Pretty. Now, y'all, let me tell you why I'm mad. Okay, this is in this packaging. Looks like a lock. It's kind of turned over a lock and some smaller flowers. And then I bought these. Anyway. So we have these. See what else is in here. We have some super huge dried flowers. So if you have small nails like my daughter does, I don't know where you're going to do with this. Guess you have to pull the petals off or something, you know. Okay, we can roll with it. Oh, no, these are cute. We have little flowers. I have some foils that would go great with this. Just put them on top of the foils. They're floral foils, and I think I will do a video with that. But we have nice pastel colors. And then what I like about it is that they have the little caviar beads. I guess you put these in the middle of the flower to make it look more like a flower. But those are pretty. And we have is this an ombre brush? I think this is an ombre brush or something. I have one like this, and to save my life, I cannot use it. I've tried practicing ombre with gel polish. Didn't work. Played myself. Okay, here's some glitters. Nice iridescent glitters. Pastel-like. Pastel colors in here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So that came in here as well. So far, it's okay, except for those grandma pearls. We have a nail brush. guessing this is a dusting brush here. Oh, it has a little indentation for your finger. How cute is that? You can get the dusting. Ooh, it's soft too. Most nail brushes are soft. I don't even know why I'm just shocked. Rose soap. Y'all, this says rose soap. What? Oh, I thought it was going to smell like trash, but it smells like roses and it's... Oh, what is this? Is it actually soap? Y'all, I don't know. And I'm not going to the bathroom to try it out. It's foamy like a, like it's paper. Y'all hear that? Huh. I don't know. Is it really soap? But it smells good. Either way, it smells good. We have some foil. This almost looks like somebody's backsplash. What is this? I don't know. I don't even know. It's a hard backing on there. So I'm guessing this is some type of background. It's not I don't know. I don't know. We have some marble foil. That'll be good for a accent nail or a full hand. Y'all know how I do. I put a full hand, do all my nails in that marble foil and won't even care. Oh, these are kind of cute and grandma-ish. I like these. I guess I'm a grandma after all with no grandchildren. But anyway, I better not have none no time soon. But these are pretty. These are nice. Now, if you have small nails, this ain't it. This right here ain't it, but they're pretty. Nail art stickers. So these are all stickers. I have so many iridescent or holographic butterfly stickers. It's ridiculous. But y'all, why is the butterfly in the pot, though? Y'all see that? Why? Is that a pot? Maybe it's a balloon. Heck if I know. I don't know. But anyway, cute. And then we have a stack of glitters. Now, this is where they threw me off just a little bit now. Everything was pastel until I got to these glitters. So we have I call this Easter yellow. I don't know if you went to church, you grew up, you probably at some point had an Easter dress. Now, your yellow wasn't this bright. It was probably a little bit more pastelish, but this is what it reminds me of. We have some other glitters in here, and I'm not opening these up because I'm doing this voiceover. I mean, not voiceover. I'm talking as I'm opening the contents of this box. We have some green in here. We have some kind of pink neon. It has butterflies and flowers in there. And this one has butterflies and flowers too. Really pretty. And then we have some purple glitters. Y'all, I keep getting this stuff. I ain't used it. I just don't have time. Like, I just got off work and I came down here at, what time is it? 5:32 to come do this video real quick. We have J08. This is Ballerina. Lord, I can't open it. Why? Because I got Vaseline on my hands. Let me see if I can find my rubber band to open this. Well, I'm going to have to pause this video so I can find me a rubber band. It walked away. Okay, I'm back. Now let me see if I can get a grip on this thing. There we go. Keep your rubber band around. This looks like, oh, this is a nice little peach. Oh, this is a nice color. Cute. That's pretty. Okay. I'm getting it all on the outside of the bottle. So again, that color is Ballerina. And then we have a cat eye, which I didn't do a video with the last cat eye that came in. I think that was Valentine's Day mystery box. G21 Wanderlust. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Is this a glow? I don't know. We'll have to find out. Our temperature changing. Thermal, I don't know what that means. Ooh, that is pretty. Maybe that means it's a... Y'all, I don't know. I'm gonna have to try that out. See what the heck's going on here with this one. I don't know, but that's pretty. That would look good on top of that. Matter of fact, while you're playing games, that probably would look really good. Maybe it's a topper, but it says on the bottle. I don't know, but that would look good on top of there, I think. What does this bottle say? It says G21 Wanderlust. Just says Charm Gel. Maybe it's not a cat eye. Maybe it's just like an iridescent polish with flakes. And oh, it must be a topper. That's why. Duh. Maybe you put it on top of any color and you get your different effects. Sometimes I wonder. You'd be like, what are you thinking about? I don't know. To be talking. But anyway. So these are the contents of the box. Don't pay attention to my, I got my Freddy Krueger shirt on today. That's why I call it Freddy Krueger. Because y'all know if you grew up in in the 80s and maybe even in the 90s, they had Nightmare on Elm Street. And he had that striped shirt on. It was red, but this is more burgundy. But anyway, so you have your stickers here, your 2 gel polishes, your flower studs, another glitter along with these glitters as well. You have your super huge flowers, boom. You have, I don't know what this is, if it's soap or if it's not soap. You have these, nice, like them. Your teeth are your grandma pearls here. A pin. What do they call that? It's not a brooch. It's not a brooch. Something else. You have your backsplash and your marble foil, your wood pieces, your, I guess this is an ombre brush, or maybe to pick up the glitter. I got a discount code card here, my dusting brush, and then I have the butterfly and the pastel kind of pearlesque like rhinestones as well. And so I believe this retailed, y'all, was it $49.99? I think it was $49.99. And then there was a discount code on the site. I think it was Spring Box that saved you $6 off the box, which was basically shipping. And so I think I got it for like $42. This is not bad, but what's bad is that I haven't used it, and I need to use the other stuff in my other mystery box, but it's okay. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. Please like this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more. And let me know, do you guys enjoy these unboxing videos? Because sometimes I crack myself up. Well, I always do voiceovers, so this is the first time I actually unboxed something and recorded as I did the voice as I opened the contents of the box. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week or next time I upload. Thanks for watching.